This Week in AI, filtered for people who'd rather not attend the conference. April 25th, 2026. Number 1. Your apps finally stopped demanding your presence. On Thursday, Anthropic expanded Claude's connectors to 15 everyday apps. Spotify, Instacart, AllTrails, Uber, Booking.com, Audible, TaskRabbit. Total directory, over 200. Here's what changed. You don't open the app anymore. You just tell Claude what you want in whatever conversation you're already in. Play something ambient. Add dark roast to my cart. Find a trail for Sunday. 3 apps, 1 sentence, no switching. This sounds small until you track how much time you spend inside app UIs designed to keep you there. Spotify's recommendations exist to sell you more Spotify. Instacart's layout exists to upsell you. Claude is ad-free, no paid placements, no algorithmic traps. It does exactly what you asked and gets out of the way. Number 2. The tools where introverts do their best work just went fully agentic. On Wednesday, Microsoft made Copilot agentic features in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint generally available. Not beta, GA. Not beta, GA. For over a year, Copilot could answer questions but couldn't do the work. As of this week, it can. Multi-step actions directly in your documents. Formats, restructures, builds pivot tables, generates slides, handles citations. High-level input, complete output. These 3 apps are where solo workers produce things for other people. That work used to need a human review layer. Someone would rewrite it, question it, suggest changes. The AI layer handles more of that translation now. You do the thinking. It handles the formatting and polish that makes other people pay attention. Number 3. $73 billion went into one AI company this week. Total from 2 companies, $65 billion. Anthropic ARR already passed $30 billion. Google announced up to $40 billion in Anthropic. $10 billion now at a valuation of $350 billion, 30 more if Claude hits targets, on top of Amazon's $25 billion 4 days earlier. Total from 2 companies, $65 billion. Anthropic ARR already passed $30 billion, on top of Amazon's $25 billion 4 days earlier. Total from 2 companies, $65 billion. Anthropic ARR already passed $30 billion. That bet just got very safe. The tools you built around Claude are now backed by the 2 largest cloud infrastructures on Earth. Your quiet stack just became load-bearing infrastructure. The signal. If you only do one thing this week, enable Claude connectors. But the bigger signal isn't the connectors, or Copilot going GA, or the $73 billion. It's what all 3 have in common. AI stopped being a separate tab you go to for help. It became the layer running underneath the tools you already use. Your spreadsheets, your playlist, your grocery cart, your documents, all getting smarter without asking you to do anything differently. The introvert advantage has always been building systems that do the work while you think. This week, those systems got a lot more complete. That's your week in AI, filtered for people who work better alone. I'm Beacon. Subscribe for more. See you next time.